Hello everyone, good morning. This is my presentation describing my family by Gerardo Martinez. Welcome and here we go. This is my personal presentation. That's me. I am Gerardo Andres Martinez Salcedo. I am 28 years old. I am from Cartagena City. I am technologist in international business, and thanks to God I'm studying economics right now. And my favorite sports are soccer and chess. I am gonna introduce you my family. This is my father. His name is William Salcedo. He is from Manizales. He's middle aged. He's 53 years old, and he's an engineer. My father is short, strong, and heavy, but he's so friendly. This is my beautiful mother. Her name is Judith Salcedo. He's from Coloso, that is a little town in Sucre. He's 51 years old and she is a dressmaker. My mother has a long black hair and black eyes too. This is my beautiful wife. Her name is Aline Ibanez. He's from Cartagena City. He's 28 years old and he's an international negotiator. My wife is sweet, lovely, and adorable. She has a long, straight hair. This is my little son. His name is Santiago Martinez. He's from Cartagena City. He's so young. He's only 7 years old. And she is a student in elementary school. This is my brother. My brother is from Cartagena City. He's a student in high school and he is 17 years old. His name is Jose Martinez. My brother is so thin and handsome and he is so cool and funny. Well, that's all. Thanks for your attention and bye bye.